It's where the magic happens.
Yeah, sir. And Jesse from Pure Turbos just hit us up, and they're bringing a Audi TT RS that they put a big turbo on, one of his local customers' cars, and should make around 750 wheel horsepower. So, on a Mustang dyno,
640.
we just really stole my number.
Really?
He did big in air quotations.
Literally stole my number.
He did air quotations. That means
Yeah,
big.
I'm gonna be like 645 then. But what do you think, Brian? Audi TT RS with a big turbo on it from Pure. He says 750 wheel.
750 wheel.
But I say 640.
It's not gonna put it down.
I say 640.
Wet tires. It's gonna spin on the dyno all day. Those felt wheel liners are just gonna drip water on them all the entire time. It's gonna spin. We'll see.
We'll see. This is where the other magic happens.
This is where all the magic happens.
This is my kind of magic. I'm over here just working on some videos, and I don't know, something's going on here. Look at that though, red, white, blue, very patriotic around here. Wing Wednesday?
Wing Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wing Wednesday. New one. Imagine that, barbecue Friday and Wing Wednesday?
Yeah, double them down. What do we got here today?
Well, we got a little Audi TT RS.
I'd follow you out there, but tad bit moist. Swagging interior or what?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Oh, it is pretty nice. So what are you doing?
We take off the under trays and stuff and make sure there's nothing in the way when we strap it down.
And it made 650 on his dyno.
That's pretty good.
So, but he's a two-wheel drive and dyno jet.
Yeah, we get a little more accurate number with the all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Is there a car that's gonna go on the dyno?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's raining though.
Yeah, she's dripping.
That's what he said.
Wipe it all down too. So.
Dude, man, you're the in-house detailer. We got a wet car. We need to get it cleaned up, and we're gonna spin some tires and make some ponies. Lots of them. I'm counting on at least 600 ponies.
I'm saying at least 720.
720, damn, big baller out
I'm a
here.
big Audi fan, so.
The only way you're gonna get 720 is if you get a real nice wipe job down on that car.
What's up, man? Good to see you. How you doing?
Good. Working.
Yeah?
Didn't know this guy was bringing his car in, but got the power.
I heard you.
No problem, huh?
They signed a release.
Yeah.
If that comes down and squishes anybody, they're released.
So tell me, Ramel, are you customer service or are you in-house shoe shiner?
Oh.
Okay. No, really though, folks, if you call here pissed off, if you didn't get something in the mail, you're gonna talk to this guy right here, and he's gonna get your problem solved and get your package in the mail, and everything's gonna be copacetic. And then then he's gonna get back to polishing cars.
Pure turbo, twin turbo. They cut a Lamborghini motor in half. There's 5 cylinders in this thing.
Are we tight?
Not yet. We'll be though.
Tight is right. Wait, how?
Get this angle right here.
This angle right here? good, right?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad for a little guy.
A little improvement.
A little bit.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Yeah, I think he is trying to do a higher.
I mean, I could just set it higher to the test to go higher than that. Because right now we're stopping the test at 7,500.
He wants to make sure that roller speed is right.
The roller speed is calibrated.
He says it's calibrated. You want to talk to him?
Yeah, we calibrate roll speed first.
Crack 700, what do you think?
Not bad. It's a pretty good day at the office, that's it.
Right? Meet Wednesday, dyno Wednesday. It's a solid Wednesday.
Yeah, it's just another Wednesday.
This time. Oh man, we're getting close. 716.
716.
560 pounds.
Do you want to do a fifth gear still?
Yeah, we're doing 50.
It's scary.
What do you think? Is it loud?
Oh, it's loud next door, but it's alright.
Here to get that in. Fourth. Oh, then it's definitely a 750 plus. Yeah, I mean we could lower the RPM down to like 7250 on a fifth gear pull, and that should give us the reading because that's about where it's shifting. Because I watched it that last pull, and it's like right as it gets to 7250, it's grabbing the next gear.
Charlie, what do you think?
Had to pull the
That's
fuse.
pretty cool. I think that's a great number for Mustang dyno. I'll tell you what. 716 to the wheels. Shit, we haven't seen many cars do that. Put it this way. A car with the whole power plant, all 10 cylinders, won't do that number out of the factory, not even close. Now cut that block in half and throw a big turbo on it, and you're getting 716. I'm happy.
So what's the official verdict for Wednesday's dyno session?
Wednesday's dyno session is in the books. We didn't get a complete fifth gear pull-in. It seems like it's hitting a target boost cutoff. So we still got our fourth gear pull-in, and it did an impressive 716 horsepower, which I'll take any day for a 5-cylinder. Thanks for checking out this video. If you guys like what you saw, head on over to the channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Thanks for stopping by.